else grew up watching The Price is Right anytime you stayed home sick from school. I swear, the best part of being sick wasn't being cared for or the chicken noodle soup. It was watching people jump up and down all excited when their name was called to come on down for The Price is Right. But I always wondered, do contestants know ahead of time that their name is going to be called? Is it a true surprise, or do they get a little bit of inside information to expect it? The answer is no, and I actually know this because I was a contestant whose name was called to come on down, and I didn't know until I read my name. Yes, I said that right, until I read my name. So here's a fun fact. When your name is called to come on down, it's also written in a poster board because it's so loud in there, they know that's an issue. You look for the sign every time, and that's how I found out. And anyone called down a contestant's row gets to keep their name poster. How cool. I love this little souvenir. It is so loud in the studio that I actually didn't hear George call my name until I watched my show back 3.5 months later. I was in total shock. I was almost in tears, and it was truly one of the most fun moments of my life. I got to celebrate, all excited with my bestie.
Jackie Moravec, come on down! You're the next contestant on The Price is Right.
Hi, welcome to the show. Good luck. Next prize, please, George.
It's so fun having an answer to something that I've wondered truly since I was a little kid. No more guessing, no more reading online theories. Because I lived it myself, I can trust myself, and I know 100% I had no clue until I read my name. I am now officially a Price is Right insider. And let me tell you, in the moment, it is just as wild and as exciting as it looks on TV. It was a thrill. And now when I watch The Price is Right after going through it myself, I love people's reactions even more because I know they're 100% genuine. So now I have to ask you, what's something you've always wondered about The Price is Right? Let me know in the comments and I will see if there's something I can spill the beans on for you. I certainly didn't get all the details, but I loved my time on The Price is Right. I love sharing it. And if you want to see me watching through my episode of The Price is Right, telling you how I was feeling and the ins and outs, you can watch my reaction right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, donna, ciao.